Hello, good evening to everyone. Today in this video, I'll unbox and show you these products, this stainless steel water jug, which is of 2 liter. Specially, I ordered because of keeping in mind of summer. There should be a little more water intake, and that too, not of plastic. I don't want to take water in plastic, so I ordered this. Let me check how is the quality and is it worth for 300 rupees. Okay. Yeah, this is the jug, and for the initial opinion, this is looking very lightweight. Yeah, this is the stainless steel 2.5 liter Anmol. Just alright. So what I'm doing is I'm just placing this over this digital weighing machine, and see here 0.398, which is almost like 400 grams, you can say. This is also I purchased on the Flipkart only for 200 rupees. This is the rechargeable digital weighing scale. So at this situation, this will be useful. I'll be dropping this video in the description. If you want to check, you can check, and I also add this in the view product, and this one also. Let me open this cover also. Yeah, this is the water mug. See here. Okay, this is where you can pour out the water. This is how it is looking. Okay, very lightweight, and once I use this for at least 2 to 3 months, then I can say whether it is rust free or not, what is my real user experience about this and everything. I'll be posting another video. For now it is decently okay, but very lightweight. Okay, that I can say. The build quality is also not that great. Okay, yeah, if you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Okay. Brand is Anmol, round with laser printing of flower. Yes, it is there. Laser printing. Calibration scale, no, means no measurement here. Yeah, no measurement over here. Okay, this material is stainless steel. If you do have any other question, you can just ask in the comments.